Bugungi darsimizda IELTS Reading kursimizni davomini ko'rib chiqamiz, davom ettiramiz va bugungi darsimizda Cambridge 16 Test 2 Reading Passage 2 ni ko'ramiz va bu passage bo'yicha multiple choice questionlar bilan tanishib chiqishga harakat qilamiz va bu qismda aytib o'tishim kerak, multiple choice qismlarida bizda qaysi passagega kelishidan qat'iy nazar, qaysi passageda savollarning kelishiga qarab o'shanga bog'liq ravishda savollarni xilma-xilligi mavjud bo'ladi. Masalan, o'sha qaysi passageda bo'lishiga qaragan holda savollarda har xilliklar bo'ladi. Masalan, sizda savollarga multiple choice savollari passage 3 da keladigan bo'lsa, sizda keywordlar bo'lmaydi. Keywordlar orqali javoblarni topa olmaysiz va ular har xil demak, they will not be in order, meaning that they will be in different parts of the text. Ular tekstning har xil qismlarida, turli xil qismlarida joylashgan bo'ladi. Shuning uchun ham bu qismda sizdan talab qilinadigan narsa bu qaysi qismga kelayotganligini va shunga qaragan holda alohida strategiyalar ishlab chiqishingiz kerak bo'ladi va bu qismda o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek bizning savollarimizni I contain multitudes degan deb nomlangan passage berilgan va bu passage Wendy Moore reviews Ed Young's book about microbes, mikroblar haqida ekan va bu qismda bizda oson shakldagi multiple choice savollari kelgan va bu osonligini qayerdan bilamiz? Oson shakldagi multiple choice savollarida sizda savollarda keywordlar berilgan bo'ladi va qaysi qismga qarashingiz aniq berilgan bo'ladi va shuning uchun ham siz birinchi qiladigan ishingiz savolni o'qib olishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Savolni o'qib olganingizdan keyin esa birgalikda savolni o'qib olamiz. 14. In what point does the writer make about microbes in the first paragraph? So, microbes in the first paragraph, and what point does the writer make? Xo'p, savolni o'qib olganingizdan so'ng bundan keyin nima qilishingiz kerak? Bundan keyin hech qanaqa taqdirda ham ABCD tartibdagi variantlarni o'qimasligingiz kerak bo'ladi. Agar variantlarni o'qisangiz, sizda xato ma'lumotlarni qabul qilish paydo bo'ladi va shu orqali xato qilishingiz ehtimoli oshadi va shu qismda e'tiborga olishingiz kerak bo'lgan qism bu savollarni variantlarga qaramaslik hisoblanadi. Qaytarib o'tamiz. Hech qanaqa vaziyatda ham savollarga qaramasligingiz kerak, chunki bunda har bitta qismda bitta to'g'ri javob bo'ladi degani, demak 4 ta variant berilganda, ABCD berilganda 3 ta savol, 3 ta variant xato bo'ladi degani. Agar siz bu qismdagi savollarni o'qisangiz, ikki tomonlama yutqazasiz. Birinchi tomondan siz o'z vaqtingizni ketkazasiz, chunki bu savoldagi variantlarni o'qishga vaqt ketadi. Ikkinchi navbatda esa siz o'zingizning miyangizga xato informatsiya kiritib qo'yasiz. Shuning uchun ham bu qismda variantlarni o'qimaslik kerak bo'ladi va nima qilishimiz kerak asosan? Savolni o'qib olgandan keyin, savolni tushungandan keyin tekstni o'qigan holda javoblarni topishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Keling birgalikda shuni harakat qilib ko'ramiz. Birinchi passageni o'qiymiz-da, keyin savollarga javobni topishga harakat qilamiz. Microbes, most of them bacteria, have populated this planet since long before animal kingdom. Since long before animal kingdom, animal life developed and they will outlive us. Okay, they will outlive us. Invisible to naked eye, they are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means they are everywhere. They inhabit the soil, air, rocks, water, and are present within every form of life. Within, pay attention, from seaweed and coral to dogs and humans. And as Young explains in his utterly absorbing, hugely important book, we mess with them at our peril. We mess with them at our peril means that mess with means that you will have, we try to create problems with them. At our peril means it will not end well with us, for us. So let's just read it. They adapt quickly to their environment. So we don't have information about adapting quickly as far as I know. That's why we just get it, remove A. The risk they pose has been exaggerated. So the risk they pose has been exaggerated. So we have the risk, they said, at our peril, but there's no information about exaggeration or not. That's why B is out. See, they are more plentiful in animal lives than plant life. More plentiful in animal lives than plant life. We don't have information about this. C is out. They will continue to exist for longer than the human race. This is correct version because we don't have any other options left. And we just have to choose D. And actually, we have read information about the wizard. Bu haqida ma'lumot o'qigan edik. Chunki masalan, ayda ko'rganingizdek, environment o'zini atrof muhitiga adaptatsiya qilish haqida umuman ma'lumot berilmagan. Bda esa ular insoniyatga solayotgan risk yoki umumiy riski bo'rttirilgan degan ma'lumot berilmagan. Cda esa plentiful, hayvonot dunyosida ko'proq o'simlik dunyosidan ko'ra degan ma'lumot ham berilmagan. Shuning uchun ham D variantini 2 marta xo'p, D variantini olishimizga ikkita sabab bor. Birinchi navbatda ABC xato bo'lganligi va ikkinchi navbatda esa o'zimiz bu qismni o'qiganligimiz. They will continue to exist longer than the human race. Insoniyatdan ko'proq yashaydi yoki mavjud bo'lishni davom ettiradi va bu qismda bunda o'qigan edik. Bu qismda birinchi it was the first sentence. Well, populated this planet so long before animal life developed, and they will outlive us. Outlive us means they will live longer than us. Demak, bu qismda o'z savolimizga javobni question number 1 shu qismda topdik. Va shuning uchun ham savolimizga javobni D ekanligini ko'rishingiz mumkin. Agarda tasavvur qilib ko'ring, agarda savollarga variantlarni o'zingiz o'qiganingizda va tekstga qaraganingizda, birinchi navbatda siz savollarni o'qishga taxminan 30 sekund vaqt ketkazgan bo'lardingiz. Bu birinchi navbatda. Ikkinchi navbatda esa o'sha savollarni memorize qilishga ham vaqt ketkazgan bo'lardingiz. Bu brain powerga yomon bo'lardi. Hop, brain power, how do I do brain power? BP, let's say, for example, BP, brain power. Hop, miyangizni energiyasi ketishiga sabab bo'ladi. Uchinchi navbatda esa baribir bu qismni, masalan, variantni o'qiganingizdan qat'iy nazar, tekstni o'qiyotganingizda baribir bu variantlar esingizdan chiqib ketadi va variantga yana qaytishga majbur bo'lasiz. Shuning uchun ham bu o'sha sabab tufayli birinchi navbatda tekstni o'qib olgan holda, tekstni o'qigandan keyin buni matching information shaklidagi savol turiga aylantirgan holda shu savolni javobini topishga harakat qilgan ma'qulroq hisoblanadi. Keyingi savolimiz 15. In the second paragraph, yana keywordimiz berilgan, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, second paragraph, ikkinchi paragraf haqida gapirgan. The writer is impressed by the fact. Hop, demak, impressed by the fact that. Hop, yozuvchi impressed bo'lgan ekan, hayron qolgan ekan. Demak, bu qismda variantlarni o'qimaymiz. Tekstga qaytamiz, ikkinchi passageni tugatib olib, o'rganib olib, tushunib olib, keyin multiple choice savollaridagi variantlarni o'qib chiqishga harakat qilamiz. Keling birgalikda bularni o'qib chiqishga harakat qilamiz. Xo'p. Every species has its own colony of microbes called microbiome. I know this thing. And these microbes vary not only between species but also between individuals and within different parts of each individual. What is amazing? Xo'p. Demak, bu qismda bizda keyword bor. What is amazing is that, chunki bizda savolda impressive degan so'z berilganda nimadan hayron qolgan va bu qismda hayron qoldirarli qismi shundaki, amazing is that while number of human cells in average person is 30 trillion, a number of microbes, the number is higher, about 39 trillion. Wow, do you understand? Can you imagine? We have more microbes in us than our own cells. Demak, o'zimizda 30 trillion hujayramiz bo'lsa, sel bo'lsa, bizda sel bo'lsa, bizning ichimizda yashaydigan mikroblarning umumiy soni 39 trillionga yetar ekan. Demak, biz 39 trillion bo'lsa, o'zimizni. Okay, we are microbes. I just don't know. At best, Young informs us we are only 50% human. As you see, 50% human. Indeed, some scientists even suggest we should think of each species and its microbes as a single unit dubbed a holobiont. Whatever. Ko'rdinglar, amazing bo'lgani. Bizda o'zimizda 30 trillionta o'zimizni hujayramiz bo'lsa, 39 trilliontasi qo'shimcha 39 trilliontasi u bakteriyaning hujayrasi bo'lar ekan. Xo'p, demak, o'qib chiqamiz. Each species tends to have vastly different microbes. Xo'p, bu to'g'ri. Each species vastly different microbes. It's correct. Let's see. Some parts of the body contain relatively few microbes. We don't have information about it. I didn't read information about it. The average individual has more microbes. Oh, it's correct. The average individual has more microbial cells than human ones. Bu to'g'ri. Correct. Scientists have limited understanding of how microbial cells behave. limited understanding and how they behave. We don't have information about it. That's why these incorrect. As you see, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek B bilan T'ni olib chiqarib tashladik, chunki bu haqida umuman ma'lumot yo'q. A bilan C to'g'ri ma'lumotlarimiz bor. Shunaqa vaziyatda o'quvchilar hayajonlanishadi, tushunmaydi, nima qilishim kerak hozir. Demak, ikkita to'g'ri javob bor, lekin siz keywordga yana bir bor e'tibor bering. Bu qismda A bilan C to'g'ri bo'lishi mumkin, lekin bizda keyword impressed. Writer is impressed, and writer said what is amazing. So that's why we have to choose the answer C is correct here. So the keyword was what is amazing is that. What is amazing? So it's question number 2 answer. So for most of human history, we had no idea microbes existed. The first man to see these extraordinarily potent creatures was Dutch lensmaker called Anthony van Leeuwenhoek in the 1670s, using microscopes of his own design that could magnify up to 270 times. He examined a drop of water from a nearby lake and found it teeming with tiny creatures he called animalcules. It wasn't until nearly 200 years later that the research of French biologist Louis Pasteur indicated that some microbes cause disease. It was Pasteur's germ theory that gave bacteria the poor image that endures today. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, umumiy tariximizning ko'pchilik qismida mikroblar borligini tushunmagan ekanmiz. Undan keyin Leeuwenhoek birinchi marta ko'rgan ekan mikroskopda. Undan keyin Louis Pasteur bu mikroblar kasallikka olib kelishini topgan ekan. O'shandan keyin undan germ theory tayyorlagandan keyin, ishlab chiqqandan keyin o'shandan beri hozirgacha bakteriya haqidagi poor image degani bakteriya haqidagi negativ fikrlar qolib ketgan ekan. Demak, o'qishimiz va variantlarni topishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Well, explaining how discovery was made. Well, we have some information. Lake'ga borgan ekan, ko'lda ko'rgan ekan shu narsalarni. Xo'p, bu bor. Comparing scientist series about microbes. Comparing scientist series. We don't have comparison. Demak, comparison yo'q. Birinchi navbatda topilgan, ikkinchi navbatda germ theory tushuntirishgan. Describing confusion about scientists among scientists. Olimlar o'rtasidagi confusion. Demak, confusion, I don't know what is confusion. Google qilib topib olganingiz yaxshi. Confusion tushuntirish and giving details of how microbes cause diseases. Well, we don't have giving details. Chunki detallar tushuntirishmagan, faqatgina o'shanaqa sabab bo'ladi degan ma'lumot berishgan. O'shuning uchun ham unaqa narsa yo'q. Confusion ham yo'q. Xo'p, confusion yo'q, faqat poor image bor. Shuning uchun ham men aniq olishga majbur bo'laman. Aniq emas, javobini bilmayman qanaqa ekanligini. Shuning uchun ham o'zim borib tekshirishga harakat qilaman internetdan. Xo'p, boramiz. IT Content Multitudes ga borib javoblarni topishga harakat qilamiz. Xo'p. Bu qo'yib yuborasizlar agar telefondan nimani ko'ringan bo'lsa. I contain multitudes reading answers. Xo'p. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, javobimiz D, 14D, 15C, 16A bo'ldi. Bu 16da umumiy jihatdan men o'zim ham I was confused a bit because I just didn't know exactly what was there. Xo'p, umumiy jihatdan olganda 16dagi A javobimiz to'g'ri chiqdi, chunki how discovery is made, chunki Leeuwenhoekni qanaqa qilib dengizga borgani, ko'lga borgani, qanaqa qilib o'sha bakteriyani olgani, ko'rganligini haqida ma'lumot berishgan. Comparison yo'qligi sababli B ni olib tashlaymiz. Confusion umuman haqida ma'lumot bo'lganligi sababli C ni olib tashlaymiz. Detail disease ga sabab bo'lish haqida detallar yo'qligi sababli D ni olib tashlaymiz. Shuning uchun ham javoblarimiz D, C, A bo'ladi. Bu bilan bugungi videomiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Bu multiple choice bilan, agar multiple choice sizda oson savollar tushganda, qanaqa ravishda bajarish kerakligi haqidagi kichik master klass edi. Bu qismimiz, bu videomiz sizga ma'qul bo'ldi deb umid qilamiz. Kommentarda qoldiring, savolingizni qoldiring. Birorta agar feedback bo'lsa qoldirishingiz mumkin. O'zingiz ko'ryapsiz. Agar to'liq ishlasangiz, mehnat qilib ishlasangiz, ana shunaqa holatga keladi qog'ozingiz. Agar top-toza bo'lsa, mayli. Bu ikkita narsani bildi. Agar reading naqa bo'lib bo'lganingizdan keyin qog'ozingiz top-toza bo'lsa, ikkita narsani bildirishi mumkin. You're a total expert or you're just not doing your best. Siz umuman ekspertsiz yoki siz haligacha umuman ishlamayapsiz. Shulardan ikkita narsani bildirishi mumkin. Bu o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek mana qog'ozimni ko'rinishi bu qanaqa qilib topganligim. Xo'p. Demak, bu qismda polностью mana bu qism javob bo'ladi. Question 3 bo'ladi. Bu javobni qanaqa qilib topganligim qismi. Bu qismda javobni qanaqa qilib topganligim edi. Video sizga manzur bo'ldi deb umid qilaman. Sizni keyingi videolarda, keyingi darslarda kutib qolamiz.